I like using true or false questions to help my students learn about indices, so have a go at these. In each case, I recommend pausing the video before then watching my answer. This is true, because you're just adding three identical things together, which means you end up with three of them. So it'd be like, what's elephant plus elephant plus elephant? Well, that's three elephants, for example. What about this one? This is true, because that's the fundamental definition. If I'd written x cubed, wow, let's try and write that 3 properly. If I'd written x cubed equals x times x times x, well, guess what? That's the fundamental definition of x cubed, isn't it? Let's try the next one. This is false. It's not true, because x plus x is 2x. Because you're adding two things together. There's no multiplying going on. And this is true. Why is it true? Well, for starters, x times x is x squared, so that's 3 times x squared. And then we don't need to write the times. We can just write that as 3x squared, because it's not necessary, yeah? Because we just assume there's a times if there's a number right next to a letter. Okay, what about this one? This is false. It's easy to look at this and think it's true, but it's definitely false. What's x plus x? That's 2x. So what we've now got is 3 plus 2x. Maybe it's clearer now. Look at that. There's no way that makes 4x, is there? Because you got 3 and you got 2x. You're stuck. That's actually the final answer. 3 plus 2x. That's it. It's simplified. This is false. Because what's x times x? I'm going to simplify that to write as x squared, and the 7 is still there. So it should say 7x squared. What about this? This is false. The answer is 8x. The reason is that here you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then an 8th x, making a total of 8 x's. True or false? This is true. I'm going to rearrange it just to make it clearer. That's like 5 times x times x. X times x is x squared, so we've got 5 times x squared. Oh, but we don't need to write the times sign, because if a number and a letter are next to each other, it means times. So 5x squared. So that's correct. Last one. And this is false. We can write x times x as x squared. So that's like writing x plus x squared. And that's it. That's the final answer. You can't do anything else. Because that's like a giraffe and an elephant. There's two different things. You can't combine them anymore. Hopefully that was helpful. Thanks for watching. If you're a teacher, by the way, I particularly like using true or false questions for indices. Less so with some other topics.